Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have another Crafty Temu haul. This one has a lot of DIY items in it, but some things that you can use your digitals and things with as well. So to start off with, I picked up this roll of, I don't know, it's like fake molding. Okay, so it's like fake molding, but I thought it might be kind of fun to make things out of like pumpkins and Christmas ornaments and maybe put it down the spine of a really thick book. Of course, you know I'm going to be trying that. So I have this one out, and yeah, so watch for that. I'll be trying that and seeing how it works, but it is foam and it has this beautiful texture on it. So, you know, I buy things and it's not usually for what it would normally be for. It's like, that's how I do things. Okay, so next we have, okay, so I have an Engrave It tool, and it says it's as seen on TV. So that, and it's got an extra little goodie on here. It says you can do glass, you can do electronics, keepsakes, and also for safety, you know, reasons to keep. So before we get to the rest of it, let me tell you a little bit about Temu. Yes, so Temu, pronounced T-Mu, is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in multiple categories. It has seen a lot of recent success. You've seen it everywhere, right? It's the #1 free app in the App Store. And several mega influencers and celebrities are really excited about Temu. So Temu offers affordable prices, as we've seen, high quality, multiple categories, and amazing coupons. Been very, very happy with all the craft supplies. My watercolors, the stickers are amazing. The stamps have been amazing. The punches, everything that I've purchased, I've been very, very happy with. So they also offer amazing coupons. You're going to find when you are in the loop, you will get constantly amazing coupons for savings up to 90% off. So at the end of a season, at the end of a holiday, they will put things like, they will mark them down crazy. They accept all major credit cards and debit cards, electronic payments, and pay later programs like Klarna and Afterpay. And they also give a $5 credit for a late delivery. I've had that happen 2 times, and both times the $5 credit was in my box before it even happened. If you order something, the price drops within 30 days. You can request a partial refund also. Yeah, so the really cool thing is I will have a special code for you at the end of this. It'll be in the description box down below. Okay, so if you're interested, use that link and go on and check it out. You guys, I haven't even begun to skim through what they have. I've kind of stuck in the crafty section and the outdoor decorations. That's where I've been. And but I have been very, very, very happy with everything that I have purchased. And I'm not real sure about these corner things, but we'll see. We'll be doing that either here on this Dear Julie Julie channel or on the Dear Julie Julie DIY channel. So let's go ahead and check out what we got. Okay, now I was pretty excited about these, and I actually have painted a couple. I painted one orange, one yellow, but these little 4x4 squares. I believe there was 30 of them in the package. 4x4. So yeah, so I got that, and then I also got some wood rounds. Okay. And I'm really excited to get to use these. Don't play with this, okay? They're 3.5 by 4, 3.5 to 4 inches, okay? And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in there. So another thing I got, I usually like to try and get a tool. I don't know how well these are going to work, but these are to help to keep things straight. See the corners? Like if you're trying to put a box together and you put like this guy, you'll put 2 of these in here and you're trying to glue them together, and it's supposed to hold them. So we'll see how all of this works. Now, why did I leave my my journal on the table? Okay. So the other thing that I have, well, you know that I had gotten the ribbons, okay? And they were to go with this part of what I have here. And also I got some dried floral. Okay, to see about making some things with those. So there will be a follow-up video for this where I actually use these items, but I did tell Temu that I would do the haul video for you this week, and so I am excited to go ahead and to try some of these. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. I'm excited about these little guys here and these wood rounds, and they were a really great price. So yeah, so the prices and information will all be in the description box down below. Remember, you can use the special code and for your special savings, and take advantage of extra special savings if this is your first time ordering from Temu. I actually have really enjoyed my experiences with Temu. Like I said before, you can see my other haul videos in the description box down below, along with the links to the items that I'm showing you here in today's video. So thank you all so much for being here. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. Let me know what you've bought from Temu and what was your favorite. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye. And here's another look at what I showed you today.